Oh, my bad. I was listening to Moneybag Yo on YouTube, and I had to turn it off just temporarily because I wanted to show you guys a new idea that will allow users or people from all over the world to create um, concrete molds, concrete plaster type of molds, and it's all done through. Guess what? You probably thought about it just right now, because I'm going to tell you 3D printing. And not just 3D printing, but check this out Legos. Legos. Um, Legos toys. Okay, so close the door real quick because, okay, see how a Lego is like this? Now, just imagine you want to make a ball, like a fair. Like you wanted to make it sphere. So what is it? It's just a It's just a circle, right? Like a ball, like a bowling ball. So how would it be done? You would have to simply get four or a few of these Legos, and your 3D printer can actually create the inside to be a circle with a flat base, and then you pour the concrete on the top or the plaster, whatever it might be, and then you could have your own uh, printer from wherever you're at to create just about any type of any type of any type of statue or mold that you might want. So whatever you could think of is there, and that's the great thing about this idea, because you will be able to do just about anything, any vector.
I thought you were talking to
From
somebody.
simple, like a simple one, like a heart, to a circle, to a diamond, to more complex 3D type of um, type of molds. And just recently, I went to the rubbermoldman.com, and I actually purchased myself. I'm not advertising this at all, but I came here and I bought a lion, a concrete lion, and there was this one right here for $300. And basically, what he does is he provides you with the shop uh, um, with the fiberglass. If I could find the fiberglass. Hmm. Anyway, I don't see it. But latex only. Oh, all these have fiberglass. So you could choose any one. And then, like, say you wanted to make this. So you'll go to your printer, and then you'll print this out, and then it'll do something like this, but without the fiberglass and without the latex. It will actually be plastic, and I'm hoping that it will work. I mean, I'm not sure, like a Lego. So the printer will do something like a solid base with the outside, like the fiberglass thing here. Oh, that zooms in pretty good. Um, but like the fiberglass there in the video, and then so the outside, it doesn't matter how the outside looks. Like, see how you can see right there in the video how crappy the. I mean, it's not crappy. It's just something to retain the shape, and it doesn't really matter how it looks. So in the same way, with the Lego idea, what really matters is the inside, the end result. And of course, there's going to be some creases and some lines, but if you could get the machine to get it, very, very tight together, that can be sanded down um, fairly easily if the connection is done properly and accurately. So all you would have to do is like a Lego, put the pieces together, and then pour your concrete or your mixture, resin, whatever it is, and then pour. Obviously, use your the non-adhesive demolder type of thing in there, and this can actually be done with different things, but I was thinking plastic and the 3D printing type of concept. Um, not any specific one from the other because there's many out there. But this is to like say, um, I mean, the possibilities are endless. So I'm not even gonna go into detail, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I know it's kind of weird, but it's not. It makes sense, and um, it's just a new way to easily find what you want, print it at home, and then duplicate it without the. So it's using the 3D printer to make the mold, but you're actually duplicating that mold with a different source, so concrete uh, or whatever else that you want to use, right? So in a way, it'll save you um, the cost of the plastic to make the mold, to shape it, and it'll also introduce something completely different to these 3D printers that are available on the market. So it'll not upsell, but increase the sales just based on that alone. Because if I was able to go to something like this, like I was showing you guys here on the 3D printer, and I was able to see that I could make a mold that looked like one of these little angels here, or a variety of like a selection that I kind of like. To say you like for example, this fish right here that says welcome. I mean, yeah, this fish with the bear holding up the fish that says welcome, and you can print it out with your 3D printer, and then so it will do the mold like that. So it will look like something like this, and then you could just pour your concrete or whatever it is that you want to pour in there, and then duplicate it. Then that would be awesome. And it'll basically allow people to not only make figurines and stuff like that. It'll allow them to go and do different things. in a whole different area of business. So it will really make more sales with the selling of these 3D printer machines that are available on the market. And yeah, and I guess I could start with something simple. I mean, even a circle would be kind of complicated, but for the machine to do, but I think it's possible. And I think over time it will be. Um, yeah, you'll be able to do just about any idea. But I was thinking more like a small scale type of like small creators. I don't know, like something small, nothing big, something that you could like put in your home, in your office table or something. But it could be enlarged, it could be on the big scale. Doesn't really matter. Um, but yeah, that's really all I had. And I guess when this gets fully developed and introduced on the market for people to do this, it will allow a lot of people to select what they want and just have fun and get creative and um, learn more and prevent people from being bored and wanting to commit suicide and or whatever. It'll just I think it'll be pretty fun. Um, but yeah, of course, these machines are kind of high in the pricing, but I'm talking about the near future. So who knows? These machines the price might be reduced, and maybe they could sell for a monthly payment, which would be pretty cool as well. I don't know. Now I'm just getting into other people's business in a way, but that's what I do. I'm a businessman. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys like this video. I did create a similar video like this, and I'll add it on the comments. No, not in the comments, but my description on this video, so you could easily reference it from my description. And yeah, um, I mean, I guess this would be great for NASA because they will be able to choose any type of idea here, like even as simple as a paving stone, and they can easily they will be able to easily well, this is kind of simple, but they'll be able to easily like duplicate
Are you recording?
a stone or something, a specific kind of stone, like say this shape, for example. And so the Lego will be, the base will be like that, and then the mold will create the inside, kind of like a plastic mold that you would buy through like Amazon. So So, like something like this. Um, Something like this, you know, or like this. This is what I was kind of referencing to. You can see they don't have no foundation besides this, and they turn it over, and yeah, this is a simple design. I was talking about more 3D 3D type of designs. Ooh, that's a new turtle. 3D turtle. I want it. Anyways, um, beautiful. Yeah, see, so something like this. Um, Something like that. So, you can take things to a different level. And we could grow, without negative shit, at all. Think positive. Don't think negative. Negative is what we can't do. Negative is what we don't have. Positive is what we're able to accomplish together. So think positive and just make it happen. Make it happen. And I believe it will be fun for everyone. It will actually create jobs for the people that make the people that make the for people that make the 3D printers. They'll be able to come up with their own molds, and they'll be able to come up with a more fine, detailed type of mold making machines, and that is very, very important. Just like a jet liner has to be smooth, So, and that's very important. Why? Well, you know why. And that's because if there's any, you know, screws or nails or bolts sticking out of it, it messes with acceleration or the flight, or I don't know. I'm sure there's a bunch of other reasons why they do that we're not even aware of. We just think we do. Like, have you ever made one? Have you ever fucking thrown one? Okay, so don't get stupid. Alright? So that's why you leave everything to the professionals. Whoever listens to this video, they're gonna focus on developing the 3D printer that allows people to create what they want, and then it's on them to take care of them, to duplicate their stones or their statues or whatever they want to do. Is really up to them. It's dependent on them. And some people are going to take it seriously, some people are not. And like I said, it could create jobs. It could be a full-time job for people. And depending on what you're trying to accomplish and trying to do. So, yep. Anyways, there's just a lot of negativity, a lot of negative tension, and I hate it. I hate it. It not only affects those around you, it affects the whole world. Like, you're a liar. You lied to your children, telling them that Santa Claus is real and that there's monsters and all this other crap. And then when they grew up, they realized, no, there is no Santa Claus. It's all fantasy. And that's how a lot of Christians are too. With their, not to talk crap, but I mean, tell God to feed you without you working. And see how quickly you're going to be in pain for not having the money to eat. It's just wisdom. Jump in a pool of fire and pray that God will deliver you. You're just going to die. It's wisdom. So this is real stuff that I'm talking about. This is not fantasy. This is not, and even if it was, or is, like, it's doable. Maybe not right now, but at some point it can be done. Not like Santa Claus doesn't give everyone gifts. I believe in that stuff, man. Your parents, those that love you. Some strangers give stuff to other strangers. I believe so. But I'm recording myself now on this. And I was using QuickTime Player to record the whole screen. Sorry about that.